Hello all, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video we are going to discuss some banking aptitude problems and solutions. Let's get started. The first problem is, this is a Q1 Q2 based problem, that is a quantity 1 and quantity 2 comparison. An inlet pipe A fills 12.5% of an empty tank in 2 hours and an outlet pipe B empties 50% of the tank in 16 hours. So with this paragraph we came to know that there are two pipes. One is filling pipe and another one is emptying pipe. Pipe A is filling pipe, which is 12.5%. 12.5% can also be written as 1 by 8. We know we have studied in percentages at video. And there is another pipe called emptying pipe, which empties 50% of the tank, 50% of the full tank in 16 hours. Coming to the quantity 1. What part of the tank pipe A and pipes A and B together will fill in 4 hours? So it is clearly given that in 2 hours pipe A does 12.5% of work. In 4 hours it does 25% of work. So that's why 25. Again, pipe B empties 50% of the tank in 16 hours. How much does it empty in 4 hours? So when time is divided by time is reduced to 4 hours, so 50% is also reduced divided with 4. 25% minus 50% by 4, that is 25% minus 12.5%. The Q1 value is 12.5%. Moving to the Q2. What part of the tank pipe A alone will fill in 1 hour? In the question it was given that pipe A does 12.5% of work in 2 hours. In 1 hour means 12.5 by 2, that is 6.25%. So Q1 is greater than Q2, hence Q1 is greater than Q2. Moving to the second question. Second question. The part of a work done by A in 1 by 4 days is equal to the part of the work done by the B in 1 by 5 days. A and B together can complete the work in 120 days. Find the number of days B alone will take to complete 50% of the work. We were asked to find out the B alone work, that too for 50%. 50% of the work. It is clearly given that A by 4 equal to B by 5. And A by B ratio, A to B ratio is 4 by 5. 4 plus 5 equal to 9 parts. 9 parts value is given as 120 days. The total work is 9 parts and total number of days by both A and B is 120 days. And we were asked to find out the B alone days. We need to find out the B alone days. So B alone days means 5 parts we have to find out. 9 parts is 120 and 5 parts means both together they have completed, together A and B completed the work in 120 days. Only B means it will take more than 120 days. So that's why more by less into 120. 9 by 5 into 120. It is 216 days. And we were asked to find out only 50% of the working days. So 216 by 2 equal to 50%. 108 days is the right answer, option A. Moving to the third question. An old person gives 30% of the money to his son and the rest of the money divided among his 3 daughters A, B and C in the ratio of 2:4:5 respectively. If B receives 1120 rupees, that means daughter B receives 1120, then what is the average of money received by his son and daughter C? There is some X amount. That X amount was distributed among daughters and sons. Son received 30% of the money and daughters received 70% of the money. So let us consider the daughter's money as 70x by 100, and out of 70x by 100, daughter B received 1120. 1120 rupees is equal to 4 parts. Total number of parts are 2 plus 4 plus 5, 11 parts. So 70x by 100 into 4 by 11 equal to 1120. With this expression, we came to find out the total money, X as 4400. This is the 4400 money distributed among sons and daughters. Son received 30% of the money. 30% of 4400 means how much? 1200 plus 120 equal to 1320. Again, daughter C received 5 parts. 4 parts value is 1120. 5 parts value is 1400. Now we have to find out the average of 1400 and daughter C plus son. 1400 plus 1320. Average of 1400 plus 1320 by 2 equal to 1360. I hope you understood the problem. Option B is the right answer. Moving to the fourth question. In a class, of 100 students, the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 2. Boys girls ratio is 3 to 2. If the mean weight of the class is 65 kg and that of girls is 50 kg, then what is the mean weight of the boys? The boys girls ratio is 3 to 2 and the mean weight of girls is 50 kg. The mean weight of the entire class is 65 kg. We can do it through mixtures and allegations process. 50 minus 65 equal to minus 15. 65 minus x is 65 minus x. With when compared to ratio, it is minus 15 by 65 minus x is equal to 3 by 2. After all the calculations, we get x equal to 75 kgs. Is this x is the mean weight of boys in the class? X equal to 75, option D is the right answer. Moving to the last and final question, fifth one. If the speed of a motorboat in still water is 300% more than the speed of a stream, if the motorboat takes 5 hours to go 330 kilometers upstream, find the speed of the motorboat in still water in kmph. It is clearly given that m speed is motorboat is 300 times more than the speed of the stream. So motorboat speed is 4 parts. Speed of the stream is 1 part. Here you may get a doubt that motorboat should be 3 parts and stream should be 1 part. No, it's not like that. Here in the sentence, in the question, we can observe here it is 300% more than the speed of the stream. It is not 300 times of speed stream. If 300 times of speed stream means speed stream will be 1 part and motorboat speed will be 3 parts. But here it is not given like that. It was given as 300% more than the speed of the stream. More means we have to add. That's why 1 part plus 3 parts is equal to 4 parts. This 4 parts is equal to the motorboat speed. I hope you understood the difference between 300% more than the speed of the stream and 300 times the speed of the stream. There is a lot of difference between these two. Upstream speed equal to 3p. 4p upstream speed is always m minus s. So 4p minus 1p is equal to 3p, and time is given as 5 hours. Distance is given as 30 kilometers, and upstream speed is 3 parts. With this we got 1 part equal to 2. When 1 part is equal to 2 and we were asked to find out the motorboat speed. Motorboat speed means 4 parts. 1 part value is 2. 4 into 2 equal to 8 kmph. Option C is the right answer. I hope you understood all the problems and solutions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.